We're drowning in tools, tabs, and to-do lists, busy but not productive. The promise of technology was to make life easier, but now we serve our tools instead of the other way around. Today, I'll show you 10 AI productivity hacks to automate, organize, and optimize your digital life, each in 60 seconds. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Mem AI, your self-organizing AI-powered workspace that's designed to completely transform the way you capture, organize, and retrieve information. Imagine a digital assistant that not only stores your notes, but actively helps you make sense of them, connecting the dots between your ideas, projects, and daily tasks. With Mem, you can simply dump in notes, brainstorms, meeting recaps, emails, basically anything you want to remember or act on. There's no need to worry about creating folders or tagging everything perfectly. Mem's AI automatically connects and organizes all your information for you, so you can focus on your work instead of sorting files. Need to find something fast? Just ask Mem, "What were my design team meeting takeaways?" or any other question, and it instantly surfaces the exact information you need. It's like having a search engine for your own brain, always ready to help you recall details, decisions, and next steps. Mem goes beyond just storing information. It handles reminders, follow-ups, and integrates seamlessly with your calendar and email. That means you'll never miss an important deadline, forget to reply to a message, or lose track of your to-dos again. What's really impressive is how Mem anticipates your needs. Before a meeting, it surfaces relevant notes and context automatically, so you walk in prepared and confident. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you need, when you need it, and keeps your mind clear for creative thinking. Mem isn't just a passive storage tool, it's actionable, proactive, and learns your workflow over time. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, adapting to your habits and preferences to make your workday smoother and more efficient. Forget the chaos of scattered sticky notes, endless notebooks, and lost ideas. Mem builds a personal knowledge base that not only keeps everything organized, but actually gets smarter and more useful the longer you use it. It's the difference between having a digital filing cabinet where things get lost, and having a digital brain that actively helps you think, plan, and create. If you're tired of losing ideas, missing follow-ups, or feeling overwhelmed by information overload, Mem is like your close all tabs button for your mind. It brings clarity and focus so you can finally breathe easy. With Mem, you can focus on thinking, creating, and collaborating, not just managing information. It's a strong start to our list and a glimpse into the future of truly intelligent productivity tools. Next, Compose AI, a browser extension that supercharges every text box. It's like Grammarly, but with AI-powered writing and auto-completion. Type a prompt like, "Write a polite follow-up to John," and it drafts the email for you. Autocomplete, rephrase, and tailor your writing style across Gmail, Docs, Slack, LinkedIn, and more. No more blank page anxiety or clunky emails. It learns your tone, making every message faster and more personal. Suddenly your inbox is cleared in minutes, not hours. It's a universal layer that saves you hours every week. Automate the writing, focus on the message. For anyone who writes daily, Compose AI is a must-have. Write less, communicate more. Let's talk calendars, because in today's fast-paced world, managing your time isn't just about remembering meetings. It's about making every hour count, balancing work, life, and everything in between. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by endless to-do lists, double-booked meetings, or the constant shuffle of priorities, you're not alone. That's where Motion comes in, your AI-powered scheduling assistant designed to take the chaos out of your calendar and bring clarity to your day. With Motion, you simply dump all your tasks in, set your priorities and deadlines, and let the magic happen. No more sticky notes or scattered reminders, just one place for everything that matters. Motion analyzes your workload and builds your perfect day, automatically arranging your schedule so you can focus on what's important, not just what's urgent. It auto-schedules tasks around meetings, instantly reshuffles when things change, and adapts to last-minute updates, so you're always on track, even when life throws you a curveball. Most importantly, Motion protects your focus time. It blocks out distractions, giving you dedicated windows to dive deep into your most meaningful work. No more decision fatigue or wasted minutes wondering what to tackle next. Just follow the plan Motion creates and watch your productivity soar. It's like having a personal coach, always optimizing your day for peak performance. Imagine a hyper-organized friend who not only keeps you on track, but also helps you make the most of every moment. That's Motion, always one step ahead, anticipating your needs and smoothing out your schedule. Whether you're a morning person who loves deep work at sunrise, or someone who prefers tackling emails in the afternoon, Motion learns your rhythms and tailors your day accordingly. For teams, Motion is a game changer. It schedules tasks across everyone's calendars, eliminating endless back and forth and making collaboration seamless. No more guessing who's free or chasing down updates, just smooth, synchronized teamwork. Your to-do list transforms into a concrete, actionable plan. Instead of spending time planning your work, you can finally start working your plan and see real progress every single day. If your calendar feels like chaos, Motion brings order. It's your AI general, orchestrating your day with precision and purpose so you can focus on what matters most. With Motion, you're not just keeping up, you're winning the day. Prioritize, optimize, and execute, automatically, effortlessly, and with confidence. Motion is for those ready to work smarter, not harder. Take control of your time, and let Motion help you achieve more than you ever thought possible. Imagine a world where your daily tasks practically run themselves. Welcome to Next Level Automation with ChatGPT and Zapier. This powerful duo is transforming how we work, making it possible to automate complex workflows that once took hours in just a few clicks. Zapier acts as the bridge, seamlessly connecting your favorite apps, while ChatGPT injects advanced AI intelligence into every step of your workflow. Together, they unlock a new era of productivity, where your tools talk to each other and make smart decisions on your behalf. Picture this: a new email arrives, triggering an automated workflow. Instantly, the message is sent to ChatGPT, which drafts a thoughtful reply. Zapier then takes over, sending the response, updating your CRM, and even notifying your team, all without you lifting a finger. You can automate customer support responses, summarize survey feedback for quick insights, generate engaging social media posts, or even triage support tickets, freeing up your team to focus on what matters most. The possibilities are truly endless, limited only by your imagination. Say goodbye to tedious copy-pasting and repetitive manual tasks. With ChatGPT and Zapier, you reclaim your time and energy, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. Build intelligent, hands-free workflows that operate quietly in the background, handling the busy work so you can focus on creativity, strategy, and growth. Sure, it takes a bit of setup at first, mapping out your processes and connecting the right apps, but the time you save in the long run is massive. Every minute invested pays off with hours returned. You're not just using digital tools, you're building custom systems that work for you around the clock, even while you sleep. Your business keeps moving forward, 24/7. If you find yourself repeating a process, it's time to automate it with ChatGPT and Zapier. Free yourself from the grind and let automation handle the routine. Stop being the manual glue that holds your apps together. Let AI-powered automation manage the connections so you can focus on high-impact work. This is how you scale your productivity, empower your team, and achieve more with less effort. Architect your own automation factory. Design workflows that fit your unique needs and watch your business transform. The creator economy's new rule: clip or be skipped. Opus Clip turns long videos into viral-ready shorts for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube in minutes. Paste your YouTube link. Opus finds the best moments, reframes to vertical, adds captions, and scores each clip for virality. What took hours now takes 10 minutes. Multiply your content output without multiplying your workload. One long video becomes a week's worth of shorts, driving traffic and growing your audience. If you're not posting short form, you're invisible. Opus Clip is your relevancy engine. Don't let your best ideas get buried. It's like having a social media editor on staff 24/7. For creators and brands, it's essential. Work smarter, dominate the platforms. Never take meeting notes again. Fireflies does it for you. It joins your Zoom, Meet, or Teams calls, records, transcribes, and summarizes everything. Get a searchable transcript, jump to any moment, and receive a concise summary with action items. No more post-meeting admin or forgotten tasks. Fireflies turns every meeting into a permanent searchable knowledge base. Find any detail from any call, instantly. See analytics like talk time and sentiment to improve meetings. It's not just record keeping, it's about better communication and accountability. Free your mind to focus on the conversation, not the notes. Meetings become more productive, actionable, and valuable. Fireflies is the ultimate meeting upgrade. Meet your calendar bodyguard Reclaim.ai. It protects your time by scheduling flexible habits and focus blocks around your real life. Tell it your routines, lunch, deep work, exercise, and it finds the best time, moving blocks as needed. If someone tries to book over your focus time, Reclaim reschedules it, so you never lose what matters. Syncs work and personal calendars, keeps private events private, and helps you say no with confidence. It's proactive, not reactive, ensuring your priorities get time, even in chaos. Build fences around your time, not just walls of meetings. For work-life balance and true control, Reclaim is essential. Make your calendar work for you, not against you. Inbox Zero finally. SaneBox filters your email so only the important stuff hits your inbox. It learns who matters, moves distractions to at Sane later, and keeps your focus sharp. Drag junk to Asane black hole. Never see it again. Pause email delivery, set reminders for follow-ups, and let the AI do the sorting. No complicated rules, just connect and go. Within days, your inbox is calm and manageable. Save hours every week and reclaim your sanity. Email becomes a task, not a stressor. For anyone overwhelmed by email, SaneBox is a must. Clean up the noise, get back your focus. 8 AI tools, 1 mission, work smarter, not harder. Watching is easy, action is what changes everything. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. Pick the tool that solves your biggest pain point and use it today. Build a partnership with technology that enhances your intelligence. Subscribe for more tools and strategies to stay ahead. This isn't just about productivity, it's about possibility. Your next gen story starts now. Thanks for watching.